Hey cake family, let's get started on making our strawberry shortcake jar. First, we're going to get started by making our classic vanilla cake. You can find this recipe on our blog, legacycakerystudios.com, under the Kit Kat flour cake. We're going to then spray our pans and put down one parchment paper and evenly spread our cake batter into the pan. We're going to bake this in the oven for at 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes, making sure that you use a toothpick, and once it comes out clean, it's all ready. We're going to flip this cake over and get started in making our jar. Now, I found for this jar, to make jars, that a 2-inch round cookie cutter is the best thing. So we're going to use about 2 rounds that we're going to cut out to make our jar. If we were making a small jar, I would just use 1. Now, to make our strawberry shortcake, we're going to layer this with our fresh strawberries and then with our whipped topping. We're going to first put our cake that you saw me cut out earlier in. After we put in the layers, another layer of our fresh strawberries in our strawberry preserves. Doesn't it look amazing? And then another layer of our whipped topping, and lastly another layer of cake, and then to top it off, another small layer of whipped topping as well as our fresh strawberries. And there you guys have it. There goes our strawberry shortcake. I'm so glad I was able to make this for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to buy one, www.legacycakery.com. Thanks again for watching and subscribe.